Tessa from Studio Jane, and I'm teaming up with Kid Made Modern and Michaels to bring you a fun craft for the Easter season. We're going to be using the Kid Made Modern Arts and Crafts Library to make your very own custom Easter eggs.
To make our decorated eggs today, we'll be using the majority of our materials from the Kid Made Modern Arts and Crafts Library, which includes felt strips, pom-poms, fuzzy sticks in various shapes and sizes, rhinestones, scissors, and white craft glue. In addition, we'll be using construction paper in the color of your choice, a pencil or marker to draw your egg shape, and glue dots. Step 1 in today's craft is to create your egg shape. Simply take your pencil and draw an oval on a piece of paper. Using your scissors, cut along the line you just drew to cut out your egg shape. Next, we'll be outlining the egg shape with fuzzy sticks. Using glue dots, attach a glue dot in 3 places along your fuzzy stick, one on either end and one in the middle. Attach the fuzzy stick with glue dots to the edge of your egg shape. Make sure that glue dots are only sticking to your paper and not the surface below. If you're using multiple short fuzzy sticks, attach them one by one, lining them up on the edges to make them look like one long fuzzy stick. Once you've outlined your egg with fuzzy sticks, it's time to decorate the inside. Using pom-poms, put a glue dot on the back of each and sporadically place them inside the center of your egg. In addition to pom-poms, add some sparkly rhinestones for some extra detail. And your first egg is complete. Another style option to decorate your egg is to use felt strips. Using your scissors, cut zigzag or wavy style strips. Once you've cut out 3 to 5 strips per egg, use glue dots to attach them to the center of your egg. To finish this Easter egg, use pom-poms and glue dots to add pom-pom stripes in between your felt strips. Now that you have some inspiration for your decorated eggs, you can combine all these materials to make countless different styles. Thanks so much for joining me, Kid Made Modern, and Michaels. Happy Easter!